Is Uber shutting down in California? I don't know. Find out in today's video. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. If you haven't met me yet, welcome. Thank you for joining. Nice to meet you. If you have seen my videos before, thank you for coming back. Hit the like button if you like driving for Uber, if you want more money driving for Uber, if you just want to make more money in general. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another video about Uber and Lyft. I share breaking news now. Apparently this is a breaking news channel, but also I teach drivers how to make more money. I'm gonna be making a video on how drivers can make $100,000 per year driving for Uber and Lyft. You need to drive for both apps. I'm gonna go over all of that. So subscribe so I can go over that. That's another video, but today, in California, there is something crazy going on. Is Uber shutting down in California? I don't know. Find out in today's video. I don't know. Actually, yeah, I don't have the answer. But basically, possibly. If you guys don't know, very 30-second debrief of what's going on. So for the past couple of years, you know, now there's 1 to 2 million drivers in the United States. California is the biggest market, you know, San Francisco, LA in particular. And the California Assembly wrote a bill saying that Uber and Lyft drivers need to be classified as employees because so many people are relying on Uber and Lyft for full-time income. And, you know, they're basically saying that Uber and Lyft are hacking the system. You know, no drivers, they don't have health care, they don't have a set minimum wage, and they don't have the right to unionize. So there was 3 things. And Uber and Lyft responded saying, look, we don't want our drivers to be employees, you know, we don't want to give them a set schedule. Our app only works if drivers can sign on and off whenever they want. We don't want to give them a set minimum wage. However, we are willing to increase their pay and give them some employee type benefits, not make them employees. Uber and Lyft don't want drivers to be employees. They want to keep them as independent contractors on a 1099. But now they're like compromising with the California government. So basically, California Assembly wrote a bill, and basically how it works, you know, short story, now it needs to be passed through the Senate in order for that bill to become law. So basically now the California governor needs to either decide what to do with it, pass it or veto it or filibuster it, whatever. And but now Uber just reached out to drivers. So this is the email. I just got this email yesterday. Basically it's like, you know, Uber's reaching out to drivers. Uber tell lawmakers to protect driver flexibility. They want all drivers in California at least to, you know, help sign this petition to modernize the law. I'm not going to go over it. I already went over it in another video. You can look at it yourself. Basically, they're urging drivers to do this. However, one thing that I did want to bring up. Yeah, so basically in this article, Uber says that if they change the law to make Uber drivers employees, it would be detrimental to their business. So basically Uber is saying if this bill actually passes, Uber will not work and they will have to shut down or change something dramatically in their company. So honestly, this is probably the biggest thing to ever happen in Uber driving history. Uber could possibly be shutting down in California. So yeah, I don't know if you want to sign the bill or not. I encourage you to sign it, or sign the petition, sorry, excuse me. But write your own words, you know, don't use their preset paragraph that they give you. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I will update you as soon as the bill passes, or if it gets vetoed, or if it changes. Basically, Uber's trying to help California modernize the law to accommodate people like you and me, because if this bill passes, you're stuck driving for one platform. You can't do 10 platforms now. Now you have to do one platform. You have to do a set schedule, and you have to drive when and where they want you to. So I don't really like that, but again, who knows? I probably won't be driving anymore if that happens, unless it's like a really cool program, like, you know, we get like benefits like healthcare and stuff. So anyways, I will talk to y'all soon. I'll keep you updated, so subscribe and like this video. If you like this video, YouTube will recommend you when I post a new video. So hit the like button so you get more of my videos in your feed, and then just subscribe and turn on the post notifications if you want to be notified exactly when I post, so you get breaking news notified on your phone. You gotta go into your notification setting on your phone, turn that on, and then also turn on post notifications on my video. That way, you know, you'll be sitting, you know, chilling, whatever, maybe you're on the toilet or whatever, and then get a notification that I posted. So if you want that, turn on the notification bell. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you want more pay for Uber. All right, later.